Hello friends, I am Dr. Kaustubh Shende. I am a plastic surgeon in Sancheti hospital. Today we are talking about varicose veins. So people ask in OPD what is varicose veins and how are they cured. Varicose veins are basically dilated veins which become torches and they are visible under the skin of our legs. People usually come with self-diagnosis of varicose veins, and but for the diagnosis we need a color Doppler, which can diagnose the reverse flow in the veins. So basically, what is varicose veins? There are two sets of veins in our body, in the legs. First is a deep set which runs along the bone, and there is a superficial set of veins which runs under the skin. Normally the flow should go from superficial veins from under the skin to the deep set of veins, and there are valves which prevent this flow from going backwards. But in case of varicose veins, you have a damaged valves, and that is why the flow goes back from the deep set to the superficial set. Because of this reverse flow, the superficial set of veins start dilating and they become visible under the skin. What are the complications? Basically, because of this stasis of the blood under the skin, these veins become dilated, look ugly, and sometimes if they are not treated over a period of time, the skin becomes macerated, skin becomes dark colored, and it starts ulcerating. People complain of ulcerations, people complain of itching, and they complain of the dryness of the skin. So how do we prevent it? For the prevention, there are very easy methods at home. You have to keep your legs elevated as much as possible. You have to do calf pump exercises where you move your ankles, and you have to use the calf compression devices which are called stockings. These are like elastic, very highly elastic socks. For the treatment, now in the previous days we used to completely excise and strip all those veins, but nowadays we have come up with a new treatment which is called a laser ablation or endovenous laser ablation. In this treatment, there is a laser fiber which is passed under the ultrasonography guidance, and the fiber goes into the vein, and with the help of lasers we completely ablate the vein, and that is why block the reverse flow of the blood. This procedure is a daycare procedure or one-day admission procedure, and there is no downtime. Patient can go home immediately and start working from the next day. That is for the day for about varicose veins. Thank you, friends.